Hey girls, I am going to do a quick unboxing of our new spring products. I'm going to try to give you a minute or so to hop on. If you guys are available, it's awesome. Join in and watch the fun. If not, just hit the replay button whenever you guys can catch up on this. I know there's a time difference between where I'm at in California, where most of you are, and right now is perfect for me. Paxton is sleeping, so I just figured I can take my time and go through this big box of spring products. So I'm super excited to share these with you. Now these are our seasonal products and they're going to be around, I believe they said 8 to 12 weeks. So when they're sold out, they're sold out. So if there's something that you see that you want, go ahead and get it while you can, while it's still in stock. But I have been dying to open this. It's a huge box and I can already smell the products through the box, so I'm super excited. I'm gonna go ahead and get started because I know I ordered quite a bit. I think there was only 2 products that I didn't order because I knew personally I wouldn't use them myself. So I'll try to be quiet so I don't wake up Paxton. And if anybody is watching, comment so I can see if the comments are working. Facebook Live, I'm still trying to figure out how it works. But look at all this stuff. I'm so excited. I'm trying to figure out the best way to do this. I'm gonna put the box over here so I can just pull them out. Okay, the first thing I see is just some samples that I ordered. This is not from the spring catalog. This is from our core catalog. So it's a citrus hand cream. So I have a bunch of those. Okay, this is what I'm really excited about. This Fantasy That chunk. This is supposed to be a shimmering shea butter soap bar. And it says that it has mica in it, which leaves like a shimmer behind on the skin, and it has a unicorn on the package. I'm really excited about it. I ordered one for myself and then one for a giveaway, so stay tuned for details on that. I'm actually going to open mine now because I want to see it. I heard it had pink chunks in it and some shimmer, so, and it's also, let me read you the scent. It's lotus and freesia combined with amber. So floral, which is right up my alley. I love that. It does have pink in it. I was trying not to destroy the paper, but you know, never goes as planned. Okay, you guys, look at this. Isn't that pretty? It has the pink in it, and I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but there is shimmer in the bar. Now, I don't smell freesia. I smell more amber on this, more like an amber scent, but it does smell really good, and it's pretty. So I have 2 of those. Remember to stay tuned for a giveaway. And the next thing that's new, well, it's not new, but they brought it back for spring, is our Bare It All wipes. Now these are micellar tonic wipes, so you can use them to cleanse your face and remove your makeup. We had a pack of these that was peppermint scented, and a lot of girls had issues removing their eye makeup with it because the peppermint burned. So this is gonna be an apple and prickly pear, so it's gonna be a lot more gentle around your eyes. So I ordered those. And then this is another thing that I'm excited about for spring and summer. I'm not a body butter person because of the consistency. I don't like a thick body cream on my skin. I don't like that feeling. So this is Show and Gel, and this is going to be a hydrating body moisturizer. And it is prickly pear and aloe vera. So I want to open it and try it and see. It smells really fresh. It's, I don't know how to just really fresh and clean, a light scent. So it looks like our Gel Yes facial moisturizer as far as the consistency. Okay, it is going to be perfect for spring and summer in the hotter months, especially here for us in California. I heard in the summer it gets up into the 100s as far as the temperatures go, and I'm not looking forward to it at all. So this is going to be really great for the summer if you don't like a heavy body cream. So that's Show and Gel. This is not spring and summer, but Paxton likes to use all my chapsticks, so I picked him up a couple more lip balms. And those are just in our regular catalog. They're $5 a piece. Okay, I've had a couple of questions about Fake It Till You Make It, as far as does it actually work as a gradual tanner. This is the first time I've seen the product, so I'll post some before and afters to show you girls if this works and my results from this. But this is a gradual tanning body cream, so without all the chemicals and things like that in it. So I'm excited to try that. And if you girls remember from the core catalog when I unboxed You Apricot Me body polish, this is going to be another body polish, but this is Buff Around the Edges, and this is going to be our spring scent, and it's prickly pear and loofah. So it's going to be a gentle body scrub if you can't handle the snarky bars, which I can't because my skin is so sensitive. So this is awesome. I'm excited to have this. And we have a new face mask in our spring catalog. This is 24 carats, which I just love the names and the packaging of our products. I think they're really cute. So this is a nourishing face mask. And it says, creamy kaolin is blended with carrots and rich antioxidants and beta carotene to keep the skin supple and glowing while safflower oil moisturizes. So you leave this one on, it looks like 5 to 10 minutes. And this is a bright orange color. I'm going to open it so you girls can see. And I'm going to try this later tonight. I'm excited for it. So it's a bright orange color. Now, I'm not going to lie, it doesn't have the best scent. It doesn't have the best scent, but you know, the benefits of this mask are going to be great. So I'm excited to try it either way. And then I have 2 of our new Big Fat Yummy hand creams. One is for the giveaway. They're called, this one is Nip It in the Bud. So the packaging is really cute, and of course the name is cute as well. It's Jasmine, Gardenia Rose, and Juniper Berry. So I heard some girls saying that this one smells like Sweet Pea from Bath & Body Works, so I don't know. I'm going to smell it. I bought it because gardenia is my absolute favorite flower, so I was hoping it would smell like that. So we'll see. Let's see. And it does. It smells just like Sweet Pea from Bath & Body Works. So if that was something that you liked, this is going to be the hand cream for you. And ours are non-greasy, so they're really awesome. So that's Nip It in the Bud. Almost done. And then another hand cream from our spring summer, or our spring catalog, is Pinkies Up. I'm not going to open this one. This one's for my mom. It has lavender in it, and I'm not a lavender kind of girl. This is rich blackberry with lavender and black tea. So if that is something you like, give this one a try. But look at how cute the packaging is. Again, I love it. So cute. And another chunk bar, which this is probably going to be my favorite. I already know. Bramble On. This is blackberry, mint, and lemon peel, and it sounds so refreshing. I'm excited to try that. And you can smell it through the package. I smell the lemon, so that's awesome. and that's Bramble On. Okay, and we have a new skin stick. And now if you girls are looking online, it may say that this skin stick is $19, but they actually dropped the price down to $15. The ingredients in this are a little bit different than our other skin sticks, so it's a little bit more pricey for them to make. But this is called Do Me Right, and it's a cucumber scented skin stick, but the name cracks me up. I love it. So this one is a hydrating skin stick with coconut water and vitamin B. And my skin, like I said before, being pregnant, my skin is so dry, it's awful. And they said that you can use this as a makeup primer. So I'm gonna use this tomorrow underneath my foundation and see if it can help with my dry patches. But I just wanna show you girls the color if I can get it open. It's a really pretty blue color. And they said it's really cooling on contact too, so let's see if it is. Actually it is, it's really cold. And I wasn't expecting that, so that's cool. I'm gonna try that tomorrow underneath my makeup, and it does smell just like a fresh cucumber. That's awesome. If you girls need a makeup primer for dry skin, stay tuned and I'll let you know how it works. I'm excited to see that. Let's see. The last thing I have was a splurge of the month. Now it's not available anymore, but I'm throwing it in the giveaway. This is a juicy mango and coconut hand cream called Good Vibes. So that's that, and that looks like it's everything from my first order. I have another order coming, and it's going to be with our new Pro Aging line called Defiant, and I'm super excited to share that with you when I get it. So that should be here, I'm thinking maybe Friday, maybe Monday at the latest. So I'll share that with you girls when I get it. And don't forget, today all orders $75 or more are free shipping. So that's really awesome. We have a sale going on as well until $11.59, and it's our most popular items. They're really discounted, so take a look at that also. And I have that spring trend party open, so if you order, attach your order to that to be entered into the giveaway for some of these new products. All right, girls, have a good day. Bye.